How was that transition from trading your own funds to trading with the profits?
First, it took me a while to get on their rules because there's a specific rule. You just need to learn and do exactly what they ask for. So with AquaFunded, the rules is pretty easy.
How important is education to you?
The education is the most important thing. It's like the rock. If you start on a leaf, you're gonna fall. You're gonna need to start on a rock. You're gonna need to learn from the best to get the best.
What was your mindset going for that account size?
First, I didn't have a lot of money to start with, and I was scared that I would put all my money into 100 account K and I lose it. So I start small.
Hey everyone, my name's Jamie. I've been a Forex trader for over 6 years and I have a Discord channel with over 20,000 members. I'm also a proud team member of AquaFunded. Today, we have a very special guest here with us, a trader who has taken full advantage of what AquaFunded offers with a lifetime payout of $2,262 across 2 payouts, all from just a $10,000 funded account that only costed him $67. Now that's absolutely crazy. Alan Lubos is someone we can all learn from a lot. So make sure to get rid of any distractions, subscribe for much more value coming up, and without further ado, let's get into it. So I would like to welcome Alan. Thank you so much for being here today, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you. It's an honor for me to be with you.
Man, I'm so excited about this interview. Your story, like I said before the interview, crazy. It's literally, I think, what every trader dreams of.
Yeah.
But I'm sure everyone wants to know a little about yourself because, again, your progress, your story is absolutely crazy.
Yeah.
So can you tell us a little bit about yourself and when you first got into trading?
My name is Alan. I'm from Dubai, and I started trading just 1 year ago. So I'm a really fast learner. I started seeing my friend trading. He was getting a lot of money, and I was like, whoa, where are you getting this money from? He told me he's trading, so I picked it up. I did my own research. I first started trading with my own money, $50, $100 account, and you basically lose everything because you don't have the capital. So then I started searching and I came across funded accounts. This was very amazing, and I did some research, and then I found AquaFunded, and the rules were amazing. So I did my quick research. They were one of the top reviewed companies. So yeah, I started with them. I bought only a 10K account. I didn't know that I was this good. So I just started with 10K account, and in 2 months I did my evaluation and I got funded, and within the first month I got my first payout, second month my second payout, and yeah, I'm very I got the chills now. It's very fast.
Bro,
Yeah.
that progress is crazy. And you said you've only been trading for a year.
Yeah, basically 1 year. I started learning from 1 year, so I've been trading only a real account for 6 months.
Yeah, that's absolutely crazy because typically when you hear, stories about traders breaking through, it maybe takes them 2, 3, 4 years, and you did it just over a year, which is absolutely crazy. So you said you were trading with your personal funds and you transitioned to the prop firm side, mainly because of capital. How was that transition from trading your own funds to trading with in the prop firm space where there's rules and kind of a different style? How was that adaptation from switching from personal to prop firm?
First, it took me a while to get on their rules because there's a specific rule. You just need to learn and do exactly what they ask for. So with AquaFunded, the rules is pretty easy. Is there any news? They just 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after, and then you can trade. So I was trading normal, but there's a difference in capital. So there's just money difference. So I will up the lots maybe, and yeah, the rules are transparent. And the one thing that I like the most is when I get my payout, I had a breach in the rule, and I was very scared. The one time I traded during news, and I was very scared that my payout is gonna be denied. So they just sent me a message that this very trade, the one trade I took on USD JPY, will be like declined because you traded during news, and all of the other profits I made, they send me. So that's amazing. Love them for
Amazing.
that. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing, man. How important is education to you, especially from the trading side, and how has it impacted your trading career?
The education is like the most important thing. It's like the rock. If you start on a leaf, you're gonna fall. You're gonna need to start on a rock. You're gonna need to learn from the best to get the best. You don't like go to like anyone else to learn. There is a lot of like false people that teach people how to lose money, not to win money. So you need to start right. You need to get a trading plan. You need to stick to it. You need to get all your risk to reward. You don't need to cheat on your trading plan, and you don't need to overtrade or like get emotional. You need to stick to one trading plan and get the profits, and that's how you should.
You make $2,262 from 2 payouts using a $10,000 fund account. Bro, that's crazy impressive, especially considering the initial cost was just $67. What was your mindset going for the account size, and how did you approach growing it to what it is now?
First, I didn't have a lot of money to start with, and I was scared that I would put all my money into like 100 account K and I lose it. So I like start like small. So they have like just a discount. So I took the 10K account, and I didn't know I was gonna pass the account and get all the money. So I start trading. At first I got some drawdown, then I come back. I did my first challenge, I did my second challenge, and in 2 months I did like over 2K in profit, which I believe is like amazing. Yeah, I didn't believe it myself. I didn't believe it. I got some very, very good trades on gold. So yeah, that was.
Bro, that percentage ratio is actually so ridiculous.
Like,
That's so ridiculous. So I was speaking to this other trader the other day, and they said that how they see prop firms is kind of like, for example, this $10,000 account, they see it as like a $67 trade, right? Because your initial investment is just $67. So you essentially took a $67 investment to $2,262. That's
that's crazy.
nuts.
Yeah.
That's so nuts. All right, so because of such a big payout, and I'm hearing USD JPY, I'm hearing gold.
Yeah.
I'm sure a lot of people listening to this interview want to know what exactly your trading strategy is. So, what's your overall trading style, and any key habits or strategies that helped you secure these kind of profits?
Yeah, my trading style, I like to swing trade. Basically, I hold one swing trade through the whole month, and then in that trade I just scalp my way. So every month I hold one swing trade, and like every day I do like quick scalps here and there to make the profit. So I analyze the market using ICT concepts. Of course, everybody know ICT. So I analyze it through ICT. I hold one swing trade, and I also do quick scalps during the days to up my profit. That's how I get from a 10K account at over $2,000. Yeah, that's the secret sauce.
Man, I'm if you're getting that percentage, I might have to take some of that sauce, man.
Yeah,
So you say you swing trade and then you scalp as well.
Yeah, I do both.
Crazy. And then how often do you hold your swing trades for?
How, the last trade, I hold it for maybe 20 days because gold was chopping up too much, so I hold it for 20 days. But mostly I hold maybe swing trades for 10 to 15 days, and I do scalps with them, so maybe 10 to 15 days.
I think, look, Alan, to be honest with you, I think everyone listening to this interview now, they're going to be switching from day trading to swing and scalps with that kind of payout.
Yeah.
We can see a big shift in the market here.
Yeah. But in swing trading, you need to have a good mentality. You don't need to be scared
For
because
sure.
one day I'm up $500. The next couple days I'm down $300. So you don't need to be scared. You just need to stick to your plan. You need to control your emotion, and that's it.
Yeah, no, I can imagine you must go through quite a psychological roller coaster with those swing
Yeah,
trades.
yeah,
That's crazy, man. To be honest, I'm so impressed because, with especially swing
yeah.
trading, I think, me personally, I think it's quite again, patience,
Yeah, patience.
patience and also confidence in your setup. For you being able to execute that and also show your maturity with trading in just over a year, man, that's so crazy. Like, I'm so excited to see where you're going to be in the next year.
Uh,
If you're here already, your progress is just going to be
yeah,
ridiculous.
I hope so. Hope so. Thank you.
That's so nice, man. So, with obviously, you gave us the secret
Yeah,
sauce,
that's a pretty good sauce.
um, but now I want to ask, with challenges, all right, what advice do you have for traders listening to this? What tips could you give us
Yeah.
on passing challenges and also receiving their first payout?
Mhm. Yeah, like first you need to know exactly what are the rules so you don't break them. That's the first thing. Second, you need to stick to one trading plan. You don't like do like every day a new trading strategy. No, you need to stick to one,
Mm.
and you need to control your emotions. That's the like the secret sauce basically. If you don't control your emotion, you're gonna overtrade, you're gonna revenge trade, you're gonna blow your account in like one day. I have a friend that like every day he blow account, he like don't know how to control his emotion. So that's
Mm.
like the main three things that you need to do to like get funded, pass the challenges. If you like control your feeling, I'm telling you, it's not that hard. You just need to every day put in the work. When you put in the work, you'll get your reward and you'll be profitable. Yeah,
For sure. So your key advice to the traders listening would be having a strategy but following
yeah,
it,
following your strategy.
risk management,
Yeah, for sure.
and being confident with your
Yeah,
trades.
that's it, bro.
Amazing, amazing, man. So, look, you in a year, man. I'm going to keep on saying this. In a year, you made so much
No
progress.
one jinx me, guys. No
Um,
one jinx me. Huh?
look, we're hoping for more success
Yeah,
from you, man.
thank
But
you. You too,
in
man. I hope
in
we'll
a
be guys become
year, you
profitable. Yeah.
made in a year, like you've made so much progress already. Um, if you had to go back, what would you tell a younger Alan on what to do and how to achieve the goals that you're achieving now?
Yeah. I will first like guide him through how to learn trading, and I will like very much like tell him like do funded trading. Don't trade with your own capital,
Mm.
especially if you have like if you don't have money. If you have a lot of money, you can do it, but it's safer when you are first starting to trade with funded account because you don't lose your own money. You just like blow account, you can buy another one, so you are not like risking your own money. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna tell him.
I think that's solid advice, man. To be very honest, I think the trading industry has changed so much,
Yeah,
but also like giving traders a lot more opportunities. For me, my trading background is majority my own funds because back then, prop firms weren't as advertised and as prominent as what they are now. But I think, with prop firms, and you the most perfect example of this, man. You get to trade big capital with low risk entry.
yeah,
You know, you
exactly.
you've proved it with your trading technique, your trading skill to pass a $10,000 challenge, and not only to pass but to receive basically 22.62% out of that
Yeah,
account.
that's crazy. Yeah. Thanks.
So crazy, man. Well, I think this interview has motivated a lot of people.
Yeah, I hope
Um,
that.
and I think especially, like, look, if you done this with the 10K, I'm sure a lot of people want to see what you're going to do with the 100K challenge
Yeah,
that you're going to do
yeah.
soon.
I just bought the 100K account. Yeah, yeah.
Really? Okay.
So we're gonna see like
Okay,
how
so
things gonna like evolve and stuff.
I'm pretty sure we're going to have you back on here pretty soon
Yeah,
then, Alan.
I'm hoping. Man, I love doing the interview. Yeah, I hope.
For sure. No, so amazing, man. So thank you so much, Alan, for sharing your insights and experiences with us.
You're welcome.
Is there anything before you leave? Do you want to leave us with a little extra sauce on your outro, or are you happy with everything that
Yeah,
you said?
yeah. Just like one last thing, don't be afraid and take risks, because if you don't risk, you're not gonna get anything in the world. So you need like to take action, take risk, and you'll eventually get your reward. Yeah, that's it.
Wow, man.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
That's it.
That's a powerful mic drop, man.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Alan. Well,
Thank you. Thank you.
bro, thank you so much for coming on the
Yeah, you're
interview.
welcome.
You
Been a
know,
pleasure.
really, really appreciate it. That's essentially us wrapped up.
Yeah.
But before we do, I just have one more last favor to ask you. Would you mind, like, at some point, just taking out your phone, recording a quick selfie video for us?
Yeah.
Just like a short clip with your experience with AquaFunded, and the payout process. It doesn't have to be anything long. It can be just a short, just saying like, "Hey, I'm Alan. I got my payout of XXX with AquaFunded, and that everything went smoothly for you." We would really, really appreciate that, because I think, with this interview,
Yeah.
people get to see and hear your story, which, bro, like, it's a crazy
Yeah.
story, But I think with that little selfie clip, it's kind of just like personal, and you
Yeah.
being
Yeah.
like,
I understand.
you know. So whenever you have time, just film that for us. We would really, really appreciate it.
Yeah.
And
I-
bro, we must stay connected.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, man. Yeah, for sure. It was like nice meeting you, and I love like to you need like to get connection in trading, so maybe like we send each other some stuff. You need like to grow your connection. Yeah.
for sure.
So I
For sure,
will
for sure.
send the video where I should send the video after I record it.
I can. Let's do maybe a Google Drive.
Google Drive.
I can send you the link to the Google Drive, then you can just upload it there.
Yeah, I will upload and send it maybe to your drive. Yeah, that's
Awesome.
That's really good.
Cool. But yeah, bro, definitely keep contact. You have my Insta, so just like,
Yeah.
message me whenever.
Yeah, bro.
I think it would also be cool to like maybe host you on like my Discord too, bro.
Yeah,
Like,
bro. That'd be an honor. Yeah, that'd be so good.
yeah,
I will hit
just
you, I will,
bro, to
I
see.
will, I will hit you up, bro. We'll make it happen.
Awesome.
Maybe we'll even like trade live together. Maybe.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. I love that, bro. Let's do it. And if you're ever in Spain or South Africa, bro, let me know. I'd love to
Yeah,
connect.
I will love that. Just one question, like, what trading strategy you do? Like, what concepts you trade with?
Mm. So mine's quite interesting, because I've when I first started trading, I was getting like a bunch of like different signals from people. Trade this way, trade this way, and
Yeah.
I started trading like 2019. So the amount of strategies that was advertised online wasn't a lot. Everyone was kind of like gatekeeping everything.
Yeah.
So I started off with like trend lines, and then chart patterns. I didn't really see a lot of success with that, but I did see how valuable it was, and then eventually over the years, watching other people trade, making mistakes, seeing what works in the chart, I kind of built my own strategy. So my strategy is essentially day trading. So I mainly trade London session and New York session, but the 7 variables that I use is trend lines, support resistance, previous week and previous day ranges.
Yeah.
So I look for the high and the
Yeah,
low.
exactly.
And then based off that, I have a Fibonacci retracement tool. And I draw it based off my bias, whether I'm bullish or bearish.
Yeah.
And then I have Japanese candlesticks, fair value gaps, and chart patterns. So
you got a
all of those
combination.
variables,
You have a combination from all.
yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So all of those variables, like with the trend line, support resistance, weekly, daily ranges, that kind of gives me the direction of where the price wants to go. And then with all my confluences, I have a key area. So once price comes into my key
Yeah.
area and I get confirmation, I execute my trade.
Wow. Oh, that's awesome, bro. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Uh,
So it's like a mixture of stuff.
yeah.
But I mainly trade Nasdaq, gold, and Bitcoin.
Yeah. Nasdaq. Yeah. I tried my
Yeah.
luck with Nasdaq, but I don't like it really much. I trade mainly gold,
Mm.
like all my stuff on gold.
Yeah.
I sometimes trade like euro, sometimes,
Mm.
but it sometimes gets like too choppy and it will not move. It will not move. Like, oh my God, move now. So gold like moves a lot, and I like it.
Yeah. Very volatile. Nasdaq is super volatile,
Yeah.
but I'm curious, like, what's your bias on gold for this coming week? Because with the whole, basically like verge of World War
Yeah, I
Three,
know, I know.
you know, my opinion, I think like gold's probably going to climb up because like it being a safe haven.
Yeah,
Um, so I think like stocks will essentially liquidate into gold.
yeah,
Um, but yeah, I'm not too sure. It will be quite interesting to see what happens.
yeah. So my thought on gold is like I think it's going to go up. I think
Mm,
like it's done because like last week everyone like bought, but it didn't go up. So like
mm,
everyone know if there is a war, there's something, gold will go up. But last week it didn't go up pretty much, so it went down.
mm.
So I think let me check the chart. I think if gold breaks over,
I'm lucky, bro. I'm getting some free signals here.
I think if gold closed tomorrow above 3,000, maybe 400, it will like
Mm,
rocket climb to 3,500 for sure, but for sure.
okay.
But my mainly
Damn.
bias is bullish on gold. Yeah,
Bullish, yeah. I think like, you know, I think also the environment that we trade in now is so crazy, bro, because technical analysis is so important, right? But then when fundamentals come into the market like this, but such heavy fundamentals, it can absolutely wipe off your technical analysis, you know? Which makes it like really difficult to trade because you have to be on top of news.
yeah,
But
yeah. Like this
yeah, it's tough.
trading through this news is not like very easy. It's hard. You need to be
Mm,
careful.
yeah. Bro, but you seem to be doing really, really well. That's crazy.
Yeah,
Nah, man. But yeah, I'm like, lovely meeting you, bro. Like, I'm so fortunate with these interviews. I get to connect
thanks, man.
with
You too.
traders and especially traders in like the beginning phases of their career. So I am really excited to see where you end up, bro.
Yeah, me too, bro.
Like honestly, your your results is so it inspires me even.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man.
It's so inspiring. Keep it up. Keep on hustling. The advice that you said at the end of the video, um, bro. A lot of people need to hear that. You taking the risk. Keep on pushing, and bro, like I think if you made this much progress, I 100% believe we're gonna see you back on here for another one. So
Yeah, 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 bro. That's cool. Yeah, I just like I came to Dubai like 6 months ago. I had like
mm.
nothing. I had like only like maybe $200-300 in my name, and now like I'm making it. So
Where did you come from originally,
yeah, I came from Syria.
bro? Congratulations,
Yeah,
man. You deserve it,
yeah.
then.
My brother supported me. He like believed in me
Mm.
and told me like do it. So yeah,
Bro, yeah, this is your stepping stone, man.
yeah, that's definitely.
It's I also believe like like when people are in those positions
Mm,
financially, um, if you want it, you can get it,
yeah,
But sometimes people have to be in those positions just
yeah,
to actually be
yeah.
like, I need to make
You
it
need
out.
you need to believe in yourself. Once you believe, you
Mm,
kind of like achieve anything.
yeah, bro, that's such a sick story, man. I think uh, my opinion to you, right, or advice is like your trading career is obviously kicking off, okay, like in terms of profits. Now, typically traders they have two routes to go. They stay private,
Mm,
right? Like they just trade, they earn their profits, they stay hush,
yeah,
or they tell their story and they get out there. Your story is amazing, bro. I'm sure it can resonate with a lot of
mm,
people. I would honestly say like start posting on social media, share your
appreciate
story.
that.
I think a lot of people are gonna like connect with that.
Hmm.
And you never know where that leads you, bro. You could maybe get an affiliate deal with a company. You could get like maybe clients because they're interested in
Yeah,
in your trading style. The world's literally your
Yeah,
oyster.
I think that's a great idea. A great idea.
Yeah,
Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should like I like to
yeah.
inspire people, so maybe like a couple of people gonna inspire, they start trading, get to the company, maybe. Yeah.
Mm. No, for sure. I think, there's one piece of advice. So you gave us advice
Yeah.
at the end. I'll give you
Yeah, you give me the advice.
um,
Do the
a
math.
little piece of advice. Focus on documenting, not necessarily creating, right?
Mhm.
So you don't have to put out anything perfect,
Mhm.
okay? People worry about how good the quality is of the video, what camera, whatever. Doesn't matter, bro. Just document, put it out.
Mhm.
Even if you get 0 views, 0 likes,
Yeah.
keep on doing it. I'm telling you, like, in a couple of months, you'll blow up. 100%. You'll blow
Yeah.
up.
Yeah, man. Thanks for the advice. I will most definitely take it, bro. Thank you.
Awesome, bro.
Awesome, bro.
Well, yeah, again, lovely meeting you, bro. If
Yeah.
you need anything, like, let me know.
Nah, bro. Yeah.
Um, I appreciate you coming on to this
Yeah.
interview, man.
I
Like, thank you so
appreciate
much.
you having me. Thanks a lot.
Cool, Alan. Well, have a great
Yeah,
day.
you